jotona hambai ane mungke rupanga zomatia IPFT North Omorpur Division Committee ni Assistant Secretary tini sing North Omorpur Division IPFT Party by kalayo sing kaisa meeting asok laika asok lai mani yakulo sing sidanto na laika o namani no tabo ang gisa porai khanaronai bomai sidanto na jaka saklaimo tini tarik kake 31 tarik March 2020 IPFT North Omorpur Division Committee by meeting klayoi koksabai na jaka thangnai 29 March 2020 jora horni 11 PM tamfru musang jeri koloi Secretary IPFT to Regional Committee bo samang hamya tangmani bangai party IPFT ni discharge yake voice khlai jaka
hambai ang North Omorpur Division ni President Anibu Mongkha Hobi Chandra Koloi tini sing divisional laika asok lai kaisa sidanto na laika duito oncol ni secretary jeri koloi no bono sing barbar khai no ansok lai salai bono tini discharge khairika othoba voice khlai jaka bono sare jiboni bagi ai jotono hambai ma